Good day mga kabengbeng, welcome to Mr. Johan Fabi. So, unboxing po tayo, quick review lang po tayo ng Pit Viper R614-1. Yan, so ito po yung dati pa nag-trending itong unit nito na Pit Viper or John Wick 4 sa gamit ni Keanu Reeves nung movie na John Wick Chapter 4. Yan. Yan, so may stickers na free. Magazine capacity 30 rounds, so may base pad, may logos. So it's a toy only, airsoft, gas blowback pistol. Yan, so naka compensator, serration, naka fiber optic. Then yung kanyang rear sight adjustable, serration, front and rear slide. Then meron siyang railings ready for attachment. Yan, so naka-tactical trigger, magazine release, naka-extended, then naka-magwell, aggressive stapling, naka-unbraid extra safety, left and right. So always trigger finger out, toy only. Yan, so may logos and markings. Yan, so kanyang outer barrel. Yan siya. Once siya kakasa, once na wala siyang BBs or bala, ganyan po yung kanyang itsura. So check po natin yung kanyang FPS. Yan. And test po natin, no? Yan, so may BBs na nag-gas na po yan, 0.23 gram yung aking gamit. Yan, so pass sa magazine, taking sound, kasa, release. FPS, checking. Load ang ating ano. Yan, so nag-slide lock na po siya. Ibig sabihin wala na po siyang BBs or bala. Release natin yung magazine. Release natin yung slide. Press the trigger, then hammer down. Yan, so full metal, slide and frame. Yan, CNC aluminum slide. Yan, napakaganda. Pit Viper John Wick 4 Army Armament R614-1. Thank you.